Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel and welcome if you are new. I'm Rashandria of Rose With Your Life, and today I have an unboxing from Beautifully Me and You, and I will link her information down in my description box below if you're interested. So this first package I have is some envelopes to go in my wallet. These are too cute. Some envelopes. For my wallet. Oh, look at that little sticker. That is too cute. And I have groceries, gas, household, Starbucks, Tides, weekend fun, miscellaneous, beauty, and deposit. I love them all. Thank you, Salisa. Alright. I'm going to just put them over here in my wallet. And if you like the wallet, I'll link it down below as well. I got it from Pink's X. Oh, let me see. Pink X Budgets. Right here on YouTube. And I got these envelopes from Beautifully Me and You as well right here on YouTube. Just gonna set this up real quick. Weekend fun, miscellaneous, and beauty. Alright, and that's how they fit in my wallet. Oh, I knew I was forgetting one. Deposit. Alright, get that out of the way here. And for my next one, I am going to open it real quick. I had opened it upside down, but open it up the right way. Well, since I opened it upside down, I'll go ahead and open it. It is packaged very nicely. This is some bubble wrap to keep your package secure. Alright, and here it is. I have the in my $2,000 saving era, and camera don't do it no justice. It is very nice. Okay, I'll just set the envelopes up in here. Look at it. And they have different dollars amounts. I believe she said they range from 5 to 100. Yep. Can't wait to start saving in my $2,000 savings era. And if you're interested, I will link everything down in my description box below. And I thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Take care.